Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. In Odoo not available that visible printed options after printed PDF report in sales, purchase and invoicing. But using this our app you can easily visible printed options after printed this PDF report. So let's see about that how to work it. You can see here our module Dev report printed. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to sales and you can see here this printed options. Now here not allowed because not printed for any specific orders. Now go to any orders and print this order. Now printed order number of 22. Again go to this order and you can see here printed options is allowed true. Go to list view and also display in list view. Now go to purchase. Go to any orders like a 10 number and print this order. Now this 10 number order is printed. Again go to this form view and see here this printed options is allowed true. Also display in list view in 10 number of order. Now go to invoicing. Go to any invoice like one. Print this invoice. Now this one number of invoice is printed. Also see in form view in printed options is allowed true and also display in tray view. Thank you.